Hello everyone, and welcome to another chapter of Master In. My name is Rodrigo Garcia, and today you will learn how to create the parallax effect for your covers. Subscribe, like, and share, and let's get started. To start, we will place the first output image. This must cover the entire work area. If it is necessary to adjust the size of the image, remember that in the image format menu, you can crop it to a radius of 16 by 9. In this example, I will use the image of a chameleon. After placing the image, we will insert a text box, enter the desired title, and format the text by adding colors, gradients, shadows, etc. In this example, I will write the word reptile and format it. Once we have finished formatting the text, we select both elements and duplicate them by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift. Drag the objects to the left and release the mouse. Now we will replace the duplicate image by right-clicking on the image, selecting the Change Picture option, and searching for the new photo. In this example, I will place the image of a lion, which will be the input image. Also, let's change the format of the duplicate text and the word by placing the desired title. In this example, I will write feline. Now we have the elements needed to create the parallax effect. The next thing we will do is animate the first two elements. Go to the animation menu, then add animation and select motion animations. We will look for the option to animate to the right. We will open the animation panel. From here, we select the animation that we added to the photo, this to enable the animation guide, and drag the guide at the end of the animation to the right. We will place the shadow of the photo outside the work area. We will repeat the process with the text box, making sure that the shadow of the text box is outside the work area. We will change the transition time to 1.10 seconds. Select Start with Click in the photo animation and Start within the text box animation. Next, we'll go to the selection panel and hide the previously animated photo and text box. We'll do this so that when we animate the photos on the left, we don't have to struggle to place the animation guides due to overlapping elements. Now we'll animate the elements that are outside the work area so that they enter the work area, and in both elements we'll add the animation effect of movement to the right. From the animation panel, we select the photo and look for the end of animation guide. Drag it to the center of the work area. Repeat the process with the text box guide, making sure that the left edge of the text box touches the left edge of the work area. To both animations, we'll add an animation time of 90 milliseconds and start with the previous animation. We'll enable the visit of the images that we had previously hidden. Let's see how the animation looks. Perfect! It looks fluid and creates the parallax effect by superpositioning the output images with the input ones. The next thing we will do is duplicate the slide, and now we will replace the image that is on the work area with the replacement image. In this example, I will place the photo of the lion in the work area. Now this will be the output image, and I will replace the image of the lion with the image of a chimpanzee. Now this will be the input image. We will rewrite the titles, but here a problem arises. The color of the text is different from the one we had used in the first slide. To solve this problem is very simple. We copy the format of the text from the first slide and copy it to the second slide. We change the colors of the new input text and make the necessary adjustments to the colors, formats, and animation guides. Let's see what the animation looks like. Well done! It looks great. We'll duplicate the second slide and repeat the process on the new slide, replacing images, text colors, adjusting animation guides, and so on as many times as necessary. You can change the timing of the exit animations to make this effect slower and reduce the entrance animations timing to make it faster. You could do this differently for each slide and thus have different effects on each one. You can also change the position of the elements so that the text and images overlap slightly before exiting and entering. You can add shadows, bevels, etc. Here your creativity is the limit. Once you have finished the parallax animation in your project, you can save the document as a GIF or video in MP4 format and insert it into a new slide with a loop effect so that it plays infinitely until you advance to the second slide of your presentation. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I invite you again to subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.